What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, people, yes. And in today's video, today's video, we're about to do an alpha wig, a nice, sleek, look good wig, something where you can wear everywhere. Nice wig. So first, we need all of these things that I showed you before that we're going to put on the stocking cap on the head, and what we're going to do is to sew that back together.
All the time, yeah. She always on the ground, yeah. Trying to make her ends meet, yeah. You know.
We want to tie the knot and just cut it off so that we make a thing. This is how the hair comes. It comes in a pack like that, and then you come with a couple pieces. So what I do, I pull it, I open it, and I open all of the hair. And in some of the hair, I get around 4 pieces. Some of them I get 5 pieces, and I use 3 packs of this hair.
She's a hustler, yeah.
Here I make sure I go on around and around elastic band the very end and create that illusion, because I want to make sure that all of elastic band around it, the blacker pieces, get here, and at the front I do it a little bit closer so that we don't see the elastic band.
It's that hustling with time and money on your side. You a star, she's a go-getter, trendsetter. Ain't nobody know how she feel inside, so why you wanna take her life? Cause she's a star, can I break that star?
After I make sure that everywhere around the elastic band gets here and it is close to the front, is more close, I went ahead and I do the part that I cut. I put some hair right there just to give it extra hold in the middle.
Corner, cause she sees the money maker, she's a go-getter. I see you as a trendsetter.
After I finish with in middle, what I did, I go around and around and around and around and around with the hair to fill up everywhere.
She's a star.
After I finished, this is how it looked. It was so close and nice and beautiful. So this is the illusion we want to create right here. After that, I go ahead and I get my little mousse and I mousse it down and I put it to the side and I cut the excess hair off. You know, curly hair easy to groom. All you have to do is just to swing it up a little bit. After that, I get my little clips, my little pushy clips. You can use hairpin if you want, and I push it in between where I know I want an extra hole, like 2 to the front and 1 to the back, just to pin on the hair on my head.
Yeah, she's a hustler, she's a money maker, she hustles all the time. She got a son, gotta feed him.
This is beautiful me. I'm going to do about 5 bantu knots to my head front to finish off this look.
She's a star, she's a star, she's a star.
I can't roll the back of my head. What you can do, you can either plait it or whatever, but I can't roll it because it was easy to can't roll. It wasn't any much problem.
You a star, she's a go-getter, trendsetter. Ain't nobody know how she feel inside, so why you wanna take her?
I do this cute little party so that you know, you give it a little bit of vibes, to the front, you know.
Yeah. She's a star, yeah. Hustle, for the money, for the bread, yeah. You cannot break her down, you cannot.
You can do any hairstyle to your hair front. I decided to do bantu knot.
go-getter. You say that I see you as a trendsetter. She's a star. She's a star. Ricky representing Patricia.
Are you ready, Luke? Turn that shit up.
Yeah, she's a star. She's a star. Yeah, she's a star. She's a star. She blessed. No.
I'm using this pre-stretch Guyana hair, which I always use. Easy to use and nice. And what I did, I crocheted through my roots. Guys, you don't have to crochet through your root. All you can do, you can plait it on the outer side and then put it. Because when I redo it, I didn't even bother to crochet it through. I just put it to the head of my hair, and yeah.
She's a money maker, she has a lot of time. She got a son.
I twist it, guys. You can plait it. If you plait it, it's nice too. You can plait it, you can just roll it and twist it, whatever you like your bantu knot. But in my case, I twisted it.
She's a star, she's a star.
And I have a video of me doing bantu knot. It is very easy to do. All you have to do, make sure the hair is all on to your normal hair, and what you want to do is twist it as flat as possible down. Like in Jamaica we call it shiny bump.
Star, she's a go-getter, trendsetter. Ain't nobody know how she feel inside, so why you wanna take her?
And you repeat that throughout the head.
Break that star, and she must feel far. She's a star, yeah, yeah, yeah. She's a star, yeah. Hustle, for the money, for the bread, yeah. You cannot break her down, you cannot break her meds, yeah. And she hustles on the corner, cause she sees the money maker. She's a go-getter. You say that I see you as a trendsetter. She's a star. She's a star. Ricky representing Patricia.
Are you ready, Luke? Turn that shit up.
Yeah, she's a star. She's a star. Yeah, she's a star. She's a star. She blessed. No, she's a queen. I'm beautiful. Divine, hustle all the time, yeah. She always on the ground, yeah. Tryna make her ends meet, yeah.
After I finished, guys, I tied down. I went off camera, I tied down, and I just put a little bit of gel just to hold it and tie it down and make a little bit of something baby here, which is optional, so that's why I didn't even show you on camera. But then after that is the nice part, and this is me after I tied down and leave for about 5 minutes. This is me now putting on my wig. This is the wig, guys. This is the wig. This is the wig. And I love it so much. It was so cute. It was so nice. You can do your hair front anyhow you want, and just have your little nice wig, rocking it for wherever you want to go at any time. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. One love. Go and take care of yourself. Go and big up on yourself. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Take care of your nice clean self. Bye bye.
She's a go-getter, trendsetter. Ain't nobody know how she feel inside, so why you wanna take her life? Cause she's a star. Can I break that star? And she must feel far. She's a star, yeah, yeah, yeah. She's a star, yeah. Hustle, For the money, for the bread, yeah. You cannot break her down, you cannot break her meds, yeah. She hustles on the corner, cause she sees the money maker. She's a go-getter. It says I see you as a trendsetter. She's a star.